Hey friends, if Windows is creating multiple accounts automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first solution is to perform a clean boot on the system. Why? Because this can happen due to a third party software. There are a lot of third party softwares which can manage or create new accounts. To isolate this possibility, you can perform a clean boot on your system. So here's what you have to do: search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, click on disable all, apply, okay, and then restart your computer. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is Windows update. So we have to update Windows. Right click on the start button and then select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.